Okay, Lewis, tell me, why does God love you and why are you special?
We are all God's children. It's how God made us.
Exactly. Are you Aaron Tracy? Are you a treasure?
Yes, a treasure.
You are a treasure.
God loves everybody, one of us. But if people don't believe in God, that's their choice, right?
That's right. That's right.
Care for us. If we get we're sad, hurt, He can look down at us. He can have to like be there for us.
God cares for us. That's right.
Decided
Bring back my body to me.
Everybody clap your hands. Now stop. I feel it in the air right now. It's all around, I see it everywhere. It's the power. Yeah, yeah, God's power. It's the power to move any star. It's the power to heal your broken heart. It's the power. Yeah, God's power. So don't hold back
right. So everybody, how did you enjoy that song?
I like that song.
I
Nice
did. I
song.
liked it.
Like it.
It was nice. It was nice to get everybody to sing along with it, right?
Yep,
Right.
right.
Thank
Yeah.
you, Reed.
Yeah. So when you think about today's story about joy and finding joy with other people, how do you feel now?
I feel happy, girl.
I'm happy now. Yeah. So did we bring joy to each other?
Aaron.
It made me feel just a little sad.
Hi, Aaron.
Yeah. I know sometimes joy gives us sadness, right? It's a little bit weird, isn't
I'm
it?
a little sad because,
Yes,
you
Aaron.
know, I just left my uncle, right?
Yeah, I know. But we can have joy and sadness all at the same time. It's kind of weird, isn't it?
Aaron.
Yeah. All right. So
Yes, Aaron.
so I hope everybody's enjoying this week. What's your favorite thing so far about camp?
I like. Can I ask a question?
Okay, let's do it in order, okay? So let's say Drew, let's do it in order. Drew, what's your favorite thing about camp?
Oh, I liked the beach yesterday.
The beach yesterday. That's awesome. All right, Sarah, what's your favorite thing?
I like yesterday that park.
The park. How about Julie and Chris? What's your favorite part?
My favorite is that park. I love that park. I want to do that again.
All right, Aaron, what's your favorite part?
Oh, my favorite part seeing Sarah saying, nice, Sarah.
Yeah,
Yes, Aaron, I heard you.
I also like all the
That's
food.
not a question.
the food as well. Yeah.
What's your question?
You take the jump on though.
Okay, hold on. Wait, we're gonna continue. Hold on. See, okay, Karen, what's your favorite part? Walking. Walking around. So you are literally doing the walking and following Jesus piece, aren't you? Because you're doing a lot more walking than normal, right?
When I just don't know the way that I should go. I follow Jesus, I follow Jesus. He's always helping me. He's strong when I am weak. I follow Jesus, I follow him. I'm gonna walk like Jesus. And I wanna go wherever he goes. I wanna talk like Jesus. Yeah, I'm gonna follow wherever he goes.
How was the movie, guys? Woo! Is it good? Today's the last day of camp, and I hope everybody's had a great time. So I want to ask you, I'm going to go around the circle, okay? So Lewis, tell me, what was the best thing about camp this week?
The barbecue.
The barbecue. Julie and Chris, what was the best thing about camp?
The best thing about camp was seeing my friends
Seeing your
and
friends.
having fun on camp day.
Awesome. Aaron Thompson, what's your favorite thing?
So I'm gonna do a mini golf with my girlfriend Caitlin.
Mini golfing. Yeah. Aaron, want to sit down for a minute so we can see your face? Because right now we're only seeing your shirt.
You can see me now. I'm right here. My favorite part of camp door was seeing Caitlin and I play mini golf.
Awesome. So you got to spend a day with your girlfriend too. That was bonus. Karen, what was your favorite thing about camp? Mini golfing was good too, eh? And Ryan, what was your favorite thing?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Remember, Ryan? What's your favorite thing, buddy?
You know-
because
You got to see some of your friends you didn't see in a long time. How about you, Aaron Tracy? Tell us what your favorite thing was.
even some ice cream though.
Oh, having ice creams and golf. Nice. That was good. Yeah.
Follow wherever he goes. Wherever he goes, I will follow. Wherever he goes, I will follow. Yeah, I'm gonna follow. what I should do. I listen to Jesus. I listen to Jesus. He's always helping me. He's strong when I am weak. I listen to Jesus. I listen to Him. I'm gonna walk.
Tell me how the movie was.
Aaron,
Was it
the
good?
video. Did you like the movie Total?
Was it good?
Like it? What did you think about the movie?
I did not like it.
Oh, you did not.